Good morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, guys, as you can see, it's raining. I'm gonna show you all the money I have now. You can see, guys. You can see there. There's my camera. You can see. There it is. There it is. There's my camera. You can see it, guys. Yeah. Come with me to go and eat some breakfast for this morning and start the day off clean. Bro, why are you crashing in me? But yeah, guys, let's go. I think I'm gonna go get pancakes first. Guys, I actually have a surprise for you. But first, drop a subscribe. Show some support and love, guys, please. I really want to build my YouTube channel up to more. Yeah, guys, come with me to the breakfast republic. Yeah. Let's go get our food, man. As you can see, nobody's working, guys, so gonna do things for myself now. Let me eat. Wow, someone did make this stuff so nice, guys, that I had to order it for myself. Put my plate down. But yeah, guys, as I told you, I have a big surprise for you guys coming up. I'm done eating now. Guys, I see the rain stop. Now, to clean day. Guys, we must order up the things we did use because the setup is staying outside. I did not give you a clue, guys. What is the surprise is the setup? Alright, let's go for a swim in the lake. In the lake, let's go for a swim. That is a nice warm lake, guys. So nice, guys. This is the most conversion. But that is now for today, guys. Let's go and buy my new iPad. The iPad store is open, guys. I really need one, guys, because I'm gonna do more content for you guys. See? So yeah, let's go see what they have. Phones. It has that iPad. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna buy the iPad now. The iPad, guys. Let's see if it works. Okay, guys, as you can see, this thing does work. Let's play real quick. Thank you. Now, guys, let me go and show you the surprise I told you I have you. Let's go. Ja guys, die nou rijden we om. Oeps, I crashed. But yeah guys, let me go. Let me show you the surprise guys. You see all this money I just show you almost now. I have a board surprise guys. You're gonna be so surprised when you see this. Yeah, it is guys. I did put my game outside. That's why I told her I must border up. Yeah, you see I must border up and no one can climb on it. Yeah. That's the PS5 guys. This is the computer setup. As you can see guys, I'm playing Roblox there. Everything is off because I had to play Roblox there. But let's hop on and play a game, Fortnite. Snipe, snipe. Yeah guys, you can see my setup is really cool, no? But yeah guys, I'm gonna show you the money again. No, I'll show you this is not my only money guys. I have my safe too. As you can see, my safe. And I have an ATM guys. I don't know if I can stay in here. You can see it, yeah. But yeah guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Peace.